You focus on the present. In the past, let that be a sign reminding you of the efforts and the sacrifices and the investments na nilagay mo in building your business. Now you focus on the present. Ano ang dapat natin gawin ngayon? What you have built in the past, the trust and confidence of your people have given you. I teach on leadership. When the leader is anxious, lahat ng tao anxious. When the leader is inspired, everybody is inspired. Tama ba? When the leader becomes lazy, everybody is dispirited. So, what do? You still continue building your people. You still continue building your brand. And you still continue building your business. My question now is, are you still building? Or are you in maintenance mode and inertia mode? So, if you are not building your people, if you are not building your brand, if you are not building your business, then you are like an old dilapidated building that should be condemned by the authorities because it is no longer habitable. Kaya you have to build, and